Okay. Oof! Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ronsah, also known as Sasa, and today I am going to be doing a wash and go with Aussie Curls mousse, and this is my first time using this mousse. If I need a moisturizer, I'm going to go in with my Wetline Extreme Gel. You'll also need a spray bottle. So now I am going to unbraid my hair, and my hair is freshly washed. I washed my hair yesterday. In order to have really defined curls for your wash and go, make sure you get your hair really wet with water to make sure that your curls will pop. I do not want my hair too soaking wet, just damp enough. I'm gonna go with the gel. I think I should go with the gel, so I'm gonna add some gel, my Wetline Extreme, and smear it in. I haven't done a wash and go in a long time, so I decided to check it out today. Actually, I decided not to use a brush. I like the smooth and rake method, so that's what I'm gonna go with. Now I'm gonna go in with my mousse. Okay. Oof! I did not know how to use this mousse. Okay, so now I got the mousse. Oh my gosh, I got too much. I got too much, y'all, but it's okay. It's all right. I don't usually wear wash and goes often because usually it lasts like 2 days for me, but I'm gonna give it another try and smooth and rake the gel in. My go-to natural hairstyle is twist outs because twist outs are just much more convenient for me. And they also call this the shingle method, where you just help twirl the ends if your ends need some help. I would use my Denman brush, but I like the raking look. If you do wash and goes, like, please comment like what are your go-to products for them. Also, do you blow dry? Sorry, that's my mousse. Do you blow dry or air dry your wash and goes? You don't want the curls to tangle up, so I just smooth and rake. Y'all, but the curls are beautiful right now. Just look, y'all.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
I feel like I'm going to finish this style very quick. I'm already almost halfway done with my hair. Some people apply the mousse before the gel, so next time I might try that combination in that order. Ooh, the curls are looking perfect, y'all. I'm gonna see if using a brush make a difference. To be honest, I don't see much of a difference from using the Denman brush, but I'm just gonna continue alternating between both techniques. I'm on the last section. Okay, y'all, so I'm done with my hair. I don't know if I should let it air dry or if I should just blow dry it to make it finish faster. But here's the back. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what other videos you guys would like to see from me. Bye, guys!